Good day. So, ngayon naman, we're going to discuss Marek's disease. So, this is a viral disease of poultry, especially sa manok. Sila talaga yung highly affected. So, this is caused by alpha herpes virus, a very contagious one, and nagkakaroon ng high mortality sa flock. So, ano ba yung signs? Nagkakaroon ng leg paralysis. So, yung manok, nag-split. So, very common yan sa Marek's disease. And sciatic nerve enlargement. Ito, mas malaki dito sa kabila kumpara dito. Pag nagkatay ka ng manok dito sa inner thigh, meron ka makita dyan na parang silvery na parang ugat. Pero actually, hindi ito talaga yung ugat. That's a nerve. Para siyang plastic kung tingnan. So, that's a nerve. So, nagkakaroon ng enlargement kapag nagkakaroon ng Marek's disease. Due to the enlargement of this, kaya nagkakaroon ng leg paralysis. And nagkakaroon din ng graying of the iris. This is the normal one and ito yung infected with Marek's disease. So yung Marek's disease, wala pang treatment available, only vaccination. So very important ngayon na strong yung biosecurity measures ng isang farm. So, paano ba ang transmission? It could be direct contact, mga farm tools na infected with the virus. Pwede mga boots, mga damit ng farm workers. So, next time kapag nakakita kayo ng manok na may eyes na gaya kay Boruto, most likely that's Marek's disease.